Here's my present situation. I've got this old Goodman R22 system here. It developed a leak. I had a guy come out to check it 8 years ago. Basically what he did was he hooked up his gear, stole my R22 and didn't come back. Well, this thing's about just above knee high to me. Well, I'm going to replace it with this thing, which is just above chest high. That's a 3-ton system. This is a 5-ton system. I got a good deal on it. Now, everybody's making videos of replacing their old system with a new one, but nobody's replacing their old system with a used one. So that's what I'm doing. This one was taken out of a 2-story house, and when I checked the evaporator, that thing was just coated with little bits of paper, duct tape, insulation, and that's probably why it wasn't cooling their house. So hopefully that's the reason this unit was replaced. I bought it from the owner of an AC company, so hopefully I got a good deal on it. If I did, I'll be showing his information here. So let me pause real quick and then I'll take you and show you the evaporator and the furnace. Okay, this is the evaporator. Now when I got this, I don't know, yeah, you can see all that trash, all that was inside the the evaporator here on the inside. Let's see if I can tilt this here. Show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's pretty clean now because I cleaned a lot of that junk out of it. But it only had about, actually you can see the line right here. Only that much was exposed on that side and only this much was exposed on this side. The rest of it was covered with all that insulation. It looks like the duct tape they used when they put this in was like Dollar Tree duct tape or something, you know, just ridiculous what people will do to save a little cash. All right, this is the furnace. It looks like some kind of a smart furnace because it's got all this motherboard on it, so I'll see what yeah. Like I said, hopefully the reason this unit was taken out was because the evaporator was just all clogged up. If your AC is not cooling, don't replace your whole system. It might just be a clogged coil. You can clean it in place. I'm taking all the tape and junk off of these. Like I said, I'm going to take some measurements and see what the difference is between this one and the one inside. Speaking of which, let's go inside and I'll show you what my old system looks like. Alright, here's my old system. It's a lot smaller. And I got a light hooked up to those switches. That switch turns on that plug that runs this system. The black one goes down under to a float pump. Anyway, this is my old Ridge system from the 90s, and then that's where my ducts go up. My evaporator's inside there. Yeah, this is what I'm taking out, putting the other one in. I've already measured the door, so I know it fits in here. Now I gotta measure up and down to see what, but it should be all right. I do have a can of 410A, so I don't know if this system that I'm putting in has the refrigerant in it. I don't know if this system has the refrigerant in it or not. But like I said, I've watched a lot of videos of these guys that are replacing their systems, but they're replacing with new systems. I don't have a new system. I have an old system. I'm replacing with another old system. But I did watch how they run the system to get the compressor in here to suck all the R22 out. And I do have a vacuum pump, but I might have to change a couple of fittings on it to vacuum the lines out. And I'm gonna have to flush the lines, and then I'm also gonna put like an inline filter on it. So some suggestions that were made to me by the guy I got that beast from. So hey, keep watching. We'll see if this actually works out for me. I'm saving about $10,000-$12,000 by doing this, and you can too. It's 1 week later. We haven't had any problems with this unit. What I've noticed is that my old unit, when it was on, it ran non-stop. Seems like this one's hardly ever even on. But I shot my digital thermometer, and the day one it was blowing like 60 degrees. I don't know what it's blowing now, but once the house acclimated to the temperature, the thing hardly even runs, and it's nice and cool in here. Here's my completed system here. It's not running. I mean, it's probably been a half an hour that this thing hasn't been on. So, but the house is cool. I haven't had any problems. Thanks to Chris Soto, my AC guy. He told me he'd install the whole thing for $500. I paid him $800 and gave his helper, Leo, a $100 tip. So for $1,700, I saved about $10,000. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.